Loud parties, cars, and gunshots. A Harnett County woman tells us the constant noise in her neighborhood is driving her crazy, but she can't get help resolving the issue.
She is sitting down with CBS 17's Judith Ratana, hoping that deputies will finally do something.
Harnett County mandates that people in violation of their noise ordinance receive a warning all the way up to a $500 fine. But people in this neighborhood tell me that people in violation of those rules are largely going unchecked.
That's what's driving me crazy. I'm miserable because Harnett County won't do their job.
Angela Crossman moved to Heritage Village in Harnett County a few years ago in the hopes of finally settling down somewhere quiet.
You don't buy a house, you don't make a large purchase of a house intending to spend the next 30 years being miserable.
But that's what she says life here is.
Loud, booming music from the neighbors, gunshots, cars running up and down the road squealing tires.
While we were there on a quiet morning, she says a nuisance noise happens on any given day at any given hour. Crossman says she's called the Harnett County Sheriff's Office for help several times, even emailing the sheriff himself with no resolution.
The deputies that have come out here have told me there's basically nothing they can do. It's up to them whether they cite them. As long as, it's not hurting anyone, it's okay.
While county commissioners write the rules regarding excessive noise, deputies are in charge of enforcing them. The noise ordinance prohibits stereos or other devices that unreasonably disturbs the peace, quiet, and comfort of neighbors and passersby. Adding noise shouldn't be heard from 50 feet away. It includes decibel limits to that noise, saying investigating officers need to record those decibel measurements along with the noise source. It's not something Crossman sees them do. Just asking them to do their job at the very least.
At least give them a citation. Smack them on the wrist.
Crossman says she doesn't want people to stop gathering with friends or listening to their music. To her, this is about being considerate to those around you.
They don't care about their neighborhood. That's what drives me crazy.
Now, we did reach out to the Harnett County Sheriff's Office to ask how they handle noise complaints and what their process is to determining whether anything can be done when a complaint is made, and I am still waiting to hear back. In Harnett County, Judith Ratana, CBS 17 News.
And do you have something in your neighborhood that is driving you crazy? We'd love to hear about it. Send us an email to the email address that's right there on your screen. And if you submit something, we'll definitely look into that for you.